I DC News, Mima Bawumia Akwaba Ahadie latest and Hopeson Adorye Bremo. And so we now subscribe ya. Bomodi say over subscribe to the channel. W say over click the subscribe button. Now what barely notification we answer video for we upload no. Also was be after we are now like video give us a thumbs up. Now share my Ato Forson when you be here. Now who and someone else will Ghana memo. Afi yebura ye ensema beto ye proso yiti eye san komo ya ekosu yiti sansema aba betuje yiti
we edimi ba besi asem si wo airport ne Ghana for obi anyi na so
airport ho no because I know you hold some latest on it.
Yes, apart from gold na man for kokopie so esizi ye ne ne kai ka ho ye private person ne ne kai ka ho kululu ewom yeah ye nim private person say wo honum ye nim microphone so omututo gold
yeah
e dey ko say ye nkonkoto no mu
program na o ka chem say gold asem
yeah vice president office trust letter no e do so e da honum. But what happened today? Look, everybody closer to President Mahama should tell him say the SC and then will take over from 7th. It should investigate the National Security Coordinator. It should investigate the airport leisure officer. Yeah, can go.
Hopeson Mayo. And I may come ask them say, "Young Kobe is a National Security Coordinator." Move on a picture. I'm like, quick. Say, yeah, my person do the picture, but now I say, "Oh no, also working ya." Say, "Moon Kobe sano, Mate." Yeah, Papayana.
My boss, my former boss.
Oh, former boss. Oh, are you? It's also Young Kobe sa Papay.
Say, handing over Yesi, President Mahama. And the date is saying 18th. Muntro and the date into who? And the 18th.
Okay.
What happened at the airport today should be investigated. Samu tekino for just a year as Anna yenjai asumja. Please. Ghana for will not be happy. Do you know why? Oko a year. Answer na obe rata mark no so.
Okay.
There were various gates. I was honum. Baby or honuma. Ebia, Wamade, Nyamabi, Airco, a year flight in Umwa. Ghana Aviation Authority for no Agyarko say way. Gyamfi say Biabiane.
Okay.
Our Modeba flight in Umu, Ama, Wamu Babia, Sarkasanofa.
Okay.
No Mode Ako. Say, President, Etukwanya, or the gate dedicated.
Okay.
President, the Vice President, maybe Speaker of Parliament at times. At times. And now foreign dignitaries, presidents,
diplomatic.
Yes. Before now Omu gate friend gate 19.
Okay.
And no the old
airport nation is
the old VIP gate 19. But ni yes and ya call terminal 2 departures. Now we do first roundabout now. What they call terminal 3 now.
That's right.
Oko street. That roundabout now they will be back. And so what turn it to departures no. We try roundabout now about a black gate be one street. That is gate 19.
I see.
Is there a presidential gate? It is a president who be eba. Necessary man that VIP treatment now. I don't know order from that or mutimi bie emanipa no eba. Now the security liaison officer friend can Ebogezi and then let me mention his name.
Ebogezi.
Yes. I'm a private person, a Nigerian national. Or na airport COVID-19 or mode honi na share ninsa.
Is it frontiers?
Or no? I don't want to share this. Now, what must Nipano access to gate 19? A presidential gate.
Oh, so this is the latest of this story.
Nipano is a diplomat. One government official. One private person. And you have given him gate 19. I will use to all the time. Nipano. Tamana mi yaduma honum. No or you su honum. Or private flight. Or private jet. me time while you should get 19 hot da.
Yeah, your friend is saying.
What there, beba?
Okay.
Yeah, me remember a natural.
Hey.
Oba, no more money you so VIP.
That's right.
Before I said me call no you so. Bibi, everyone more do honum and I after oh, ye too fine. Twice one I may stop or more. Me say one for be mon conco you so. One particular you be omuja me pamu omu to say you know. Hi, daddy. Pamu I know mo call into omu mu a I don't know who will be officing. What there for purposes of a interview, me money pan.
That's right.
I don't depend on me na me call and was oh. In Kofi say you know. Yema VIP hono yema mo kwa na. And I say I will not allow. Nipa no kwa Charlie. Nyama what they kono the bags enya de ketwa. Me say me manonko and was remi. Adam say okay. Provided say Obeka say any point in time. Obeka say wo. Ana we request say onyusu honum. On that one, sa wujitu mu dia. I will agree. Wasi wa dia tum. And I'm so
many committee no ho.
Mani pa no committee no ho. Ana no use VIP. After that, what kwasa kwa komano access to gate 19.
Which is the president's gate? President gate.
President, the former president, vice president, former vice president, speaker of parliament, chief judge at times, you know, those kind of the otunfo ko onono ye betima mana yusu gate 19 any ade so how can you allow a private entity, a private person, an individual? And yes, what the car back drive where mu keke wo.
Yo.
You want to meet say, Nipa do babe 2 days ago.
Sir.
Or sako ene. I know woman 11, almost over 11:30. Now, a basa na. Aviation security now gate na no. No more friend no say. Ebia ene. Yes, petty way. Nipas Messi, ebi or the car back, Nipas Messi or the car say, any ade, and the beko, no mama time, and the time no do no mudru honoma, then or more be or more. At Tibinia intern, Dana, me call honum. Eja, me frere, and this is impeding for a minimum, Messe me uncle. And Nasam na making. Hey, at 11:15, na your honum. Mene wanga na di kan ko e ti mi mane di kan park wo no ne car e wo anim ho na me park achire ane ye wo wana me ka jense look move there no ko e no si o expect obi na say
breaking news pa
me na me ka chiro e hifo na be use hanne anaja woni mu ye that say edina has been confirmed
intelligence
yes.
You know
ana me man bi say how many cars? Anna Sani Pano. Or Deba, or say 4 cars. Now, Nipa Bakwa, Utukai. Land Cruisers Baku 4.
Yes,
a dear, I know Mukwe. You know what they do? Tam no Babaswan. No, de Niamakakra. Ninta de Ebia, or Tomilo near the day, bag bay 3. No more the Afahonum, no Mascane, and no more the co. Cast 4 na egumuno. Nyama yemuma au mukwako loduni yina into the private jet.
Really?
And that one
into the private jet.
And nobody scans it.
Hey.
Me say I'm telling them. Me say this case, me DHA to the latter.
I feel in your picture now all day bano.
Me DHA to the latter.
So and yet to commercial flight.
No. Private jet. And then you open gate. President Kwa what drive through. Now serious thing happened today. And they call yes, and they saw us in camera. Gyamfi no muchuru. And I'm afraid NDC in Penifono Bako. Mimpesa me boniding. Yakwana already some of the guys. Hey, and you Omudru who said member money. Oh, Rakango Bon. Hey, who's a member money?
And an airport where we need.
I know what it is here. Tijuana police will be a walk to us. And I'm saying, they are here peacefully. based on an intel.
Wow.
Or Mojumo Mubabeyano, allow them. Gidi bia easy. But so person gidi sidia. One kasa na obekoso gidi no. We have freedom of assembly, freedom of movement, all those kind of things.
Hey,
I don't know Mukasa.
I say we take you over airport.
Many of Mukasa, I know mo etiasi no mukoi. And I'm catching say, hey Nathan, one of these member you know, talk to them. And meja, me a man for Timachi, as I said, me call Kofi, na me koko share. Sa ye wo hodomo. Na omwakwa kobie the Jubilee Lounge na ehod na president etu kwa ya wotena ehod no mu no ofa no na omwakwa kobie ho e de ama this individual no de ne kasefo ni nyina awuram akwakọ lodu da yi no private jet etie gira ho no na ye kasa no na flight na tu na eko.
You kidding
me say this day 18 December 2024 must be investigated after 7 January.
Hey.
How can you do that?
Yeah.
It must be investigated. Private person. One year minister. Minister kwa wakwa dealer mu. Minister kwa wakwa say private individual, non-Ghanaian.
Onye Ghanaian so.
Onye Ghanaian.
So who gave him this access?
They say the security liaison officer, Kennedy Agyapong, and then the national security coordinator should be questioned. Do you know what happened? Any that penny perby Afremi.
Increpa se mubejo.
Incoming government penny perba Afremi. Oh, what's it? Sisiana Minya call from the national security. Say. Na we dey Osremi. Afina yebe hand over near there. And I'm say, Sado Mgajo, Omubwa. Yes, no kre. Sa guys wo. Based on intel. Yeah, monitor. Ubianko bebianko kanchi obi say free hati. And I say sorry hati. Ubianye bibisa. Na interna yenyano. They are opening the presidential gate for an individual, a non-Ghanaian. What the cars, Land Cruisers baku 4 and what is inside the car? And nothing microphone was it Asante Bediatuo? Yes. Was it then I'm calling them back?
No, you deceive you know.
Such them now what they make us out not frightened Kamu.
Jesus Christ. Your airspace.
I've got this now. What can we go?
What 3,000 above sea?
How can we do this? Now, Meno Kogu, what we say, me free national security. Yeah. What is a Macau Mazamda?
David. A pass a piano secretary.
Me take oath. That oath now me take I don't want to break it. But if they tell me, I will break it.
Hey, Hopeson.
Me say, if they dare me, I will break it. In some fool say no, and say yes so. We are building a nation. Look, Mr. Stórm has a home. Ya ni ama economy na say yo. Who sika man for lodu, e di free of my yimua. How can we build economy like this? Who will seek a odia
currency?
Fagu Bank. Would the person your transfer? Pressure my so a will crum her. Ye see the near dollar no a bigina. Na nipa tamsika no akolodu no de ko. Yenka say sa private person no or nyajuma wa ben mu ni aka so akwa wi aban sika. What you say? But say wo ko baby na say wo di sika kwa. You must declare. You have $10,000 to travel with. Ubian question. And you bro na 11,000. You must declare it. What you say? You go the amount for a free hase. At the call. Ghana ye nyafi enfrim. Enya deketwa. You see, it is hard time with name and shame. Huh? Sabe. Nyamba bi wo hono mo a. Esese ye tackle head on. After 7 January, me catch say, me group on there. radio. JDM Advocacy Group.
Hey, yeah.
Me share them sinato. Yeah, the ba say Okuje to committee wo.
That's right.
One dey there no. Kofi Boakye Mone, Martin Kwebun me, Raymond Achamone dey ga ho. Say dem we na say omuhwe. What you say? E say omuhwe say dem we nyina because look. Omukam. Mumbi say Kennedy. How did you get there? How did he get there? MPP winning 2016. Yanya handing over. Ana Captain Koda. Edin Kokoshe ho. We'll take you over. Near handing over.
We'll take you over.
I don't know what now. And now will come. Now me no gra gama paki me nyama kokra de dada. Hey, samene na kama paki me nyama kokra de dada. Look, Ghana for kasa. What more the power ama NDC for? They are waiting to just govern the country. A process. A process. Na se beti matrase. Ama nyamba bi say akoso o man yimu a. Etina meti TV so amekasa. I am not afraid. The thing happened today. Today. Na ya dra gate 19 bo ho ban no. Ne de na kofa Jubilee. President Akufo Addo must tackle this issue before. So believe me.
Serious, Papa.
That gate belongs to former President Mahama, former President Kufo Addo use that gate no. I don't hear the sitting president. All others who use gate 19.
And today President will tell Kunya so
except to say President Bifia Brutraba near Geno, yetimi de no fa ho. What would you know? Apart from that, all former president will use gate 19. Then private individual
on your gun any
who did not go for home. Hey,
no,
hey,
this is quite serious though. No, and just as someone is very, very, very serious. The person is also not a Ghanaian. And I'm quite baffled.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Then you pick a phone and call. Anna, you can't say, we are fighting for this country. What you want now, Krono Samne, Nyama? Who expose you people? Who expose you people? I am saying it. But say, today. Look, you can temper with the CCTV cameras. But the date, you cannot erase the date.
And between times...
You cannot erase the date. It's true the flight took off. We were there. We did not see him passing through the VIP. We did not see him passing through the gate 19. How did he get there?
Your private terminal, no. I'm saying, no more question.
Honorable Okunya Bragwa, Nathan Kofi Boakye. Operations na moya na esa mudi we no ka ho.
I tell you.
Esa mudi ka ho. How can this happen? Ya drum pempen so bi. Ese se government ni bia ehu no ho se wono ebrede oman no e di amano ho. What you say? E di amano ho. How do you build it? Wo dia ni say we say bibi ko boni a wo be expose boni no. Bibi ko na say papa wa bo ho ban. So on yet no. By so doing, look, yesterday 1992, ana keji na yenya adwene ba ko say ye be yesa.
So me
nke akoye ni mo.
Papa o.
Ke akoye ni papa.
Citizens' rights, observing what is wrong,
that's right.
Report it. Let's all, hold Ghana as our own for the protection of ourselves, future and unborn.
Guys, wamutimi eko chance on the gold na eko omuma money a den a gold no koko pie wo Central Police Station. Me bomb abaso, kudos to you. Mwayade. Omo ede omuba ho so mwayade nyankopon hiramu. Mwachese mu o man no hodo. Nyankopon hiramu bebre. Yen koso a ne yenye. Look, any information you get, who your member pa, let us have it. Who want this penny be out to make a channel?
Exactly.
Say Sadia way, Awaha. Make sure. Say Adina Ode Manusono, a papa.
Exactly. Credible.
Me information I am Minyano. A conk. What are they? Or more munam form. Or more munamuvium. Or more munamas or Munina River.
Hey, Ghana,
or Munina River. And you have conk. What are they? Yeah. Obi always say yes, we Juma or Shajuma Wimu. What ya back conk. Eti, ya metna say, moye trim and fankasa. Last other maker, you say, I read letters to the people. So I go to who said some of their coaches features in the other day. Ya moye trim and fankasa. John, you know, Eti, media, near making and say, Ghana for Muma Yenina Yen city up. They making sure that we are building a nation, yepe. Na sa nation na ye burden wo ka ho me so me ka ho. That's right. What you omuntimi nye anya e ka ho sa ka mo ka no omuye na se muye da e ka ho e ka me so on there no eti what there let us all wish.
That's right.
Good for the incoming government, at least for the first year.
Yeah.
No muntimi and take it off. Nana, hey, mami mo also for Subempa Baso.
Ani.
This is a friend of the Commander General.
Now, one thing on person mo fixing no niamniade.
Whether they like it or not. What say?
Oh.
Or no say. Why you definitely?
I tell you.
Look. Omo no mujira asofo na Bawumia omo nyina na komo de omo. Look, Bible say esumni han nitaka.
Aye.
Say obi ye Christo sofo pa no or yes say yimra. I'm not doing a segregation. But I am using your Bible to tell you say onya papa. Onya papa.
Afenyo Hopeson.
Ya wasori dem a ye bompa ya oh malam kamrichifo ye chichiri wo ye jo mu say ni de kai ka ho na de malam anyangramofo
Enya so can you imagine
anyangramofo e cha de tina ojina wasori dem a ade ye bompa ye ntia kamricho yi malam fo ni ade ye bompa ye ntia omo you the same Christo sofo no you were preaching say ye come anane de wo ye come.
Now,
look at them one by one. And some of them so no, they business.
Thank you.
It was business.
That's right.
Now, the first batch people were jail no. Sabapa no account.
Hey,
Sabapa no. The first batch of this government, our mubeko jail. Kusibu atenka. I didn't know make us.
Hey,
National Cathedral.
National
Cathedral. Che, muti bi ko ba bi na obi afa mo lunch nyina. Na papa ya trotra no awai sika no de hye no boto. Ya koye lunch say meanwhile obi na sponsor ye free. O jaje. Me say what the bayan kan bebre. What say president let no more release here say o mo nton government vehicles no. Nina ya wam.
Yes, yeah.
Or what tongue did that? Oh, what dear, Mr. Munyabo Treboko.
Hey, but it's a government vehicle.
What dear Nyabo Treboko? Or Mokas, Aquashi, baby. Garage is enough with the question. Ye crack.
Yeah, and I'm so precious.
Baby, we have more muliks, you know. You have more muliks. I don't need to be part of it. We'll give them the lead. What you say? Yeah, or Muya Yinano, Yanikia, Yehu, Yen Transi, and Magana, and say, She, open be talkabi for on one casano. What talkano? Or packing cards you are brand new Land Cruiser. 1 year for 2 years. I know Oshemano. Ghana did 2 years.
Hey, not to them.
It's you. 2 years. Said 2 years. The 2 better back ocean. Anna, wow, ocean the amano. It's you. Young. Or more modicas. Fufra kwakwa baby. 2 ties. Any other dinero. We have it. Or more mudia kwakwa kumase. We have the locations. Any bibia. Huh? Say Shazia. Oh, Radian Copo. Mubu cast a bell line up. Mubu. She, you go for Broma. Confiscation. Kasa, yes, obidiaba, obiako sweaty. Atoka diaba. Na, what's it do, Tino? Won't you 80,000? We need 80,000. Obete so dia mano. Say dia, yati 20,000 or so. Ntikone kotuano. Ya nyanisa. Ni afafu soja. Ni dia mano 15,000. Doko kutua. This wickedness must stop. And you identify a lot of garages. Are members of confiscation committee for government officials. I just say, Kasa ya confiscating, or Mwasi Sadia Kogugu or garages, or more 2, or more 3. We know. Baby, I will talk us in the free. Yes, she put the buyer. So, Anamiwa.
Bill of lading.
Custom officers na Namuye ye kululu people in the bomono. We have you. You'll be interrogated.
A criminal baby.
Roma baby.
I'm busy.
Roma have busy. How can you do this? Then they tram me back garage. Hey, you call Efa, nobody natural. Nature say, if that person can own a garage, Senya, can you own a garage?
There is a garage, DSTV headquarters, DSTV as well. Would he sand it down? Aqua Chimota, you know, would Aqua Chimota overhead? No, there's a garage, all right, to Hosa. Hey, Casa on a hoopao. Nipano yani dianis menu
Otra gragas ya po on your right is also a business awo
nice castle
kokongro enya na ho me say they will be investigated so that look omo abase say NDC for no let me advise you please yes say aban adwuma yedidi hu yendidim o tiase yes yedidi hu wo be ye adwuma na obi aga adwuma ye de we de ma che obi bi kakra I don't know who didi hu na nye say ade na si ho na ye Ghana for dia no no watam na wo de ko that be odo de wo ya waso be she waso be she eti what the empire de yebo me say ene on the 18th December 2024 everybody should keep the date Mr. Mufama the incoming government or more matter they should get to know of this security coordinator there and the national security coordinator, the two of them should be investigated. They should be investigated. Why that guy can get access to gate 19? They must explain. They must explain.
Just yeah, I do have said, they say now, many message so from US. Say another breaking news. We said there was van being so air carry Sika from BOG heading towards Tema, and then also was escorted by police.
Sure. Bullion van Biko Eastern region.
A lot is happening with
Bullion van Mienu.
Yeah.
Echo Eastern region. Echo Ra Ahimfiebi. Bullion van Ra Ahimfiena, the whole town was off. For some time. Bullion van no too free Kronumwa analyte Esambaye.
Really? Eastern region.
Eastern region. But say, Niame besisi okrom ha no. Some of the you know me and cabin to abonting.
Yeah.
I will just tell them. Say. This is how we should go about it. Me say a beji Ghana sika magana. I'm telling you. Ya beji Ghana sika e dia magana.
The airport they quite.
Are you serious? One thing say sa akwa basa bia. What you can say me position there you have the mama no. Me the media here then because my say wealth. One who said my sissy mansions, one who said my beer car garage, any other. So he was questioning me. Said me position no, me the year then. Me the boa Ghana. Me the some Ghana. Manfa kwangu piska.
Yeah.
But this idea going forward. Oh, you better put people on check. Because you see, ya nyanisa emwa that this new government, if you relax, who decided say won't prosecute to some of these things are near who's near most of my agenda no. Anamiwa. Say them agenda then you should prosecute them head on. Make us a Akufo Addo crazy prosecute no on galamsey issue. May I find Yagro? At least there should be an example. Hey, 50 for staff muso benina issues edible prosecutor mo enye na. Some of them must rot in jail.
It's scary, yeah.
Some of them must rot in jail. And we need to jail them. Mose mo bage God. What the am corner gas ya jamo. Ghana for etia or buhe. Evidence in here. Over there. Evidence in here. Yes, you won't see a Kwaku Yafu. Ya buy the phone in the kitami. Ya phone. Na je phone we na go yano. Na ya de mark quarter. Me say phone me we are so court say where we are cry Kofi ne go. Ghana for will see you. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So the best abino, the incoming. Mo make sure say Sammy manema we mu nyina no. Motima hodo. Wodim de ntia Akufo Addo elusu the support of the middle class and entire Ghanaians. You know why? Because of atro. Yetiye. Aside that trono, some of the issue bordering on corruption.
Yeah.
If you heard my ultimate say, I don't know where the ACO. So we
yeah.
It's a Ghana for Nyajiji say. Akufo Addo be there. Hey, your Mahama government omu ina beko jail. Afi do so dia dey see here. When see. Etire ni akọ fifa francophobia omu na number bi. Dia dey omakwa ko jina court. Businessman that or the business na ya man no year was supply bibia ye okay ni akwakọ twe no ni na akwakọ jina court ni ya say the business begu. And strategically they were able to collapse a lot of businesses in this country. I will plead with the incoming government. He said, banks na omugu no nyina no.
Exactly.
They should restore their licenses. Omu fama omu,
including Indus Bank.
Me say omu nyina, omu fama omu. No mu say omu say business ase. No mu say right from the word go.
Exactly.
The number of employment omu be create. Wo no enya wo aban ana wo ye.
Entrepreneurship.
So omu ne no. That is a big
entrepreneurship.
Akoso. Apart from that, Mubana Mukasa Mbabe and Keduforiata ye ni bidia. Hey, what is it? Mumma Manfo Nyo Mojuma. One who say, we MPP Nipa, the Juma de Kosono, Jano Maninya de Jumano. Nipa na war foul mono, Sanko for now war foul mono. Almost so airbois the economy. So on the because Uku said Jumano pay. Why increase unemployment rate? Why increase it? Mr. Ramu. Hey, Ghana ni bia amanfo ni wani ni ye. So petition come president elect. Say wadwumanie say ni ani yagunu ani ne kai ka ho. No mutimi Arrést Stórm na muye yi say ya amanfo radio stations, TV stations ni yagunu. Enje na power asisen. MPP o station so mugu na ebe yode.
That's right.
Yetumu a ebe yode. Power ye ninga so.
You
need power enka so. upon all the difficulties, a man for who say, adi, a real biba, still, almost show pomposity.
Yeah.
Elections here, near Ghana for you, Anabano. Because, we were talking about change.
Yeah.
Akufo Addo so change number. Be a passionate appeal, I was say, near Mr. Free Ghana for what say, you bet my change aban.
Papa.
What name aban changer abano? What name there? I am a DJ Samu.
Yeah. Catch me.
Ajapadiano. It was chat. And to us will be what I say. And no name me joy. And no, not just say, me Dawana make Kaise change about. Let's just say, me who said the menya me. It's me that knows. But yeah, Jama, just say, hey, me madachi. O madachi. Say I'm fighting for. The idea, and inti, I am a DJ self, na me fa quite bebre. Papa. Or more. No more so say, or Mungo to about Mutre, near my own way. Mujina, my idea. Boka who be na changing about. Boka who be part na changing about. Yasin Yankupo, Oishra Munina, more boy, Quanya who do be brave so, Momaya Yika crania de. Move Kobenina Yankupon Ishra Munina. I know, say, Macau Fidi so that say Ghana for retaining MPPR. I am a woman to me. But change of government bar.
Are you first or second?
That's right.
Yeah.
New government, every my negotiation. And I am very sure.
And then I will say 11, woman to me.
This a new ye been a beba. Big Cassia say Akufo Addo, and I'm say, what we call parliament. I'm so to make your miss well. Obiso, would a minimum when say about 11. And I'm see you, would say, Obicum so new government promises or Bobicum. And Teddy him say, Obitimachum. With the proper negotiation with IMF. I think said they can rebalance the economy. We share the whole of West Africa. What team who say, I mean, the good way is towards Ghana. Obia pese Ghana any destination choice. I just say never bit. So don't take this victory for granted. Mahama was at record.
How?
Was at record?
It's like. He's a supreme leader.
I'm telling you. Look, apart from Lawrence, Enya 58%. The second Yetiba 57%.
Yeah.
John Ajekumko for run off and I didn't call 50. And a drop way to 53. A free honomono. Obia war around 53, 52.
Yeah.
And John Mahama at Mania 56. Oshe and this year, Professor Merson, and the idea of 50 point something. Oh, then maybe a castle and this in cross 51. And maybe I'm not 50 point something in the but we a fatigue victory 56%.
Significant.
In Ashanti region, 34%. Don't take it for granted. Ghana for any upgrade. Who shed or more advocacy for anti-corruption and mismanagement. Look, Mahama etimi HC appointees yes suspect say or more to the state or my kululu edi anya omo no pursue no oje osika Ghana for sika de mawo no dom kokogina emrano na emrano ne omudia. I can tell you your mama Okasa will change the constitution of Kwaku Ghana ni biankasa.
Very significant.
I am telling you.
Yeah.
If you are able to do that, everybody in this country will be happy.
As you see, our launches are Operation Recovery. All right.
That's right. No more recover. So I am telling you.
Yeah.
Yo, waiting for waiting and someone about beto ya proso. So we subscribe ya. Omodia say over subscribe to a channel. Sanse hadia latest and hot news in kwa NAPO bremo. After we are like video, give us a thumbs up, Gyamfi, Shema Ato Forson when you be here na wo hu ensema ekoso ewo Ghana memo ha. Also with me otchere what Gyamfi yes and so we now ewo comment box ni. Weti ningali in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.